Okay, we got the Prosmax cluster hardware, and oh my god, this thing's so fucking heavy, man. So we got the entire nodes for our Prosmax. So we're gonna get our first node to be like controlling everything. So that thing's like i7 with 16 GB, and most of the thing are like 8 GB at this point. And so we're gonna practice our visualization on Prosmax. Next week there's a lot of thing you gonna I'm gonna make video on that. So and yeah, so home labs are getting way bigger as we expected. So I'm gonna manage to finish the entire production site and test site and our development site on my OPs anyway. So at this point on December, so I can finally release my own service on I think January or February, if things goes well as we planned it anyway. So yeah, so nodes, so my website on there on Prosmax nodes. So we're gonna install our, I think I'm gonna start on my website on job application on that. So we're gonna use on Prosmax on that. We're gonna control our 3 nodes and one about the database and storage of the file. So maybe I'm gonna make a video on that anyway. So most of the hardware at this point I have it now, and I think at least I need one for that, and this the Prosmax, and that at least 20 more if, in my opinion, in case. So compare buying this on cheap sale, finding a RAM are more valuable if you ask me. So not that much I can do about that, and buying RAM is like more expensive. And yeah, there's nothing we can do about it, so we can just upgrade on 32 GB or 16 GB. It's gonna cost me a lot, or just buy a more cheapest i7 or i5